What's the difference between an interface and an abstract class? This is one of the most common OOP interview questions, and getting it wrong shows a shaky foundation in object-oriented design. Let's break down the 4 key differences. First, method implementation. An interface traditionally only declares method signatures. It's a pure contract. You say what methods must exist, but not how they work. Modern languages like Java and C# added default methods, but they're the exception, not the rule. An abstract class, on the other hand, can have fully implemented methods alongside abstract ones. You can write shared logic once in the abstract class, and child classes inherit that behavior. This makes abstract classes perfect for eliminating duplicate code. Second, inheritance. A class can implement multiple interfaces, giving you flexible, plug-and-play behavior. This is multiple inheritance of contracts. But a class can only extend one abstract class. That's single inheritance. This constraint exists because abstract classes can have state and implementations, which creates ambiguity if you could inherit from multiple ones. Interfaces avoid this problem by staying lightweight. Third, state. Abstract classes can hold instance fields with real data. You can store variables that child classes inherit and use. Interfaces can't do that. They're limited to constants, like public static final fields in Java. This reinforces the idea that interfaces are contracts, not data containers. Finally, when to use each. Use interfaces to define capabilities across unrelated classes. For example, serializable, comparable, or drawable. These can apply to totally different types. Use abstract classes when you have closely related classes that share common code. For example, animal as a base for dog, cat, and bird. The shared eat and sleep methods live in animal, avoiding duplication. Think of it this way. Interface's answer can this type do X? Abstract classes' answer is this type a kind of Y? To sum up, interfaces define contracts for multiple inheritance without state, abstract classes share code and state for single inheritance. Master this distinction, and you'll design cleaner, more flexible systems. Practice this question at interviewmentor.com. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.